going on, guys? Today we are back, and today we're heading out wheeling. So as you know, my truck is currently in the shop getting a 2UZ swap, meaning I can't actually have my truck out for this one. I'm just gonna jump in the passenger seat of Mike's truck that we recently did a solid axle swap and pretty much hang out behind the camera the whole day. But yeah, let's get wheeling. So Corey's going through the ditch here and he blew the bead on the inside tire. So they're pulling cable and then we're gonna get him out of the ditch and deal with it on top. All right, Corey didn't make it, so naturally Skylar's giving it a go, and we'll see how this goes. Nothing down there.
We're going like all the way down in there.
Yeah, I know. I warned you, it is a hole.
Dude, I'm not coming out of this.
We're not at the bottom yet, Corey. Yeah, now you gotta start cranking it up. Yep. Alright, well, Corey almost drove out of it. I guess not really. He blew a berth in the bottom, so now Skylar's gonna pull him out backwards, and yeah, probably have to get out of here now. And with that broken berth, that put an early end to our day. And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Next week, we're returning on the 2UZ swap in my 1989 Toyota pickup, so make sure you stay tuned for that. See you guys next week. Peace.
Let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others say I'm